Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Hello friends, I will continue our lesson. I have promised to all of you how to find this font. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay. If we don't know the type of font, the first step, we can plagiarize first this font. Yeah, the result must be complete on application how to find the font. Yeah, maybe look like this. We can from this. Yeah, okay, I will teach all of you test. Yeah, like this it's simple. Yeah, we can plagiarize just one character. Yeah, just one character like this. Okay, and again a bit. Yeah, okay, maybe like this. Yeah, okay. This we can modify the size first, maybe 3, I think. Okay, we'll get the size first. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I want to create area. Yes, no. Okay, now we must export this image. Yeah, export maybe to JPEG. Yeah, okay, like this. Export. Okay, yeah. If we have export, yeah, we can find on maybe on web. Yeah, I will give all of you the address. Yeah, the address where we can find that font. Yeah, I will check first. Right, sorry, it's the okay, wait a minute. Okay, yeah, this the address. Yeah, myfont.com. Yeah, myfont.com sub page what the font. Yeah, font page what the font. Yeah, you can upload the image that you have plagiarized the font before. Yeah, okay, that's special. Wait a minute, I have a poor connection. I'm sorry. You can use address myfont.com page what the font. Yeah, next I will type this address on description. Okay, Let's try. On my connection, very poor connection. Okay, before everything be fast, but now okay. The phone, this, what the phone, yeah, phone. Oh, it's a semi dress, I think. Yeah. Okay. Where is the bottom of click upload our phone? Okay, wait a minute. It's very. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Type over here. Okay, or upload an image. You can choose the image. Yeah. Okay. This our script. After that, identify. Okay. Wait a minute. The system will identifying text in your image. Yeah, before I show all of you, I have done experience with this address. The result is very great result. Yeah, I think a similar font from the result. Yeah, okay, that's no the font result. Okay, wait a minute. Maybe I think I have poor connection. Yeah, wait, I will try this. Okay, identifying text in your. Okay, that's good. Now identify font. Yeah, the system will be identifying font. Sometimes if you get the lesson of font, you can try to find the free font from other website. Yeah, okay, this is the result. Maybe one is Killjoy outline regular, future outline ball, and so on. Yeah, and you can note the type of font you can find on free font download. Okay, that's our tutorial today. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.